Welcome to Parentpedia. Subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get the notifications of our latest video.
To start a computer, children, we have to follow 4 steps. The first step is we have to switch on the main power supply button. Step 2. Switch on the UPS button, children. As we have inverter in our houses, yes, in the same manner, UPS is for computer. It supplies electricity to the computer when there is no electricity. Step 3. Switch on the power supply button of the CPU. Step 4. Switch on the monitor button, and children, we have to wait for some time. Children, the first display screen that appears on starting a computer is known as desktop. And on the desktop you can see it is having some small pictures, isn't it? That are known as icons. And at the bottom of the screen we have taskbar. After learning, children, how to switch on computer, let us learn how to turn it off. In computers, turning off a computer is called shutting down. Now, to shut down a computer, children, the first we have to click on the session indicator icon. The second step, select the shutdown option from the drop-box list. The shutdown dialog box appears. Then click on the shutdown button. Next step, we have to wait till the monitor turns off completely. Then switch off the monitor button. And at last, we have to turn off the UPS and then the main power supply button. I hope, children, you all have understood how to operate a computer. Thank you.